Most chicken farmers are going broke, and they don't even know why. But this is the reason. This one bag of feed is eating more than 80% of their profits. But today, I'll show you something powerful. Instead of buying expensive feeds from the shops, we are going to formulate our own 100 kgs of layer mash right here on the farm. And by the end of this video, you will know the exact ingredients, the exact ratios, and how farmers can save up to 80% of their feed costs. Let us start. Alright, before we make our 100 kilograms of layers mash, we need to understand something very important. A good chicken feed must have three main things. One is energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. If even one of these is missing, then your chickens will eat a lot, but they will not lay eggs properly. So before we start formulating our feeds, let me show you the exact ingredients that I want you to collect, and so that we can use them today, here, right now. Collect the following ingredients. The ingredient number one, the first ingredient and the largest part of this feed, is maize. Maize gives chickens energy. Well, think of it like a fuel for a car. Without enough energy, chickens become weak, egg production drops, growth slows down. So in most poultry feeds, maize makes up to 55% of the entire feed. That means that in our 100 kg mixture, maize is going to be the biggest ingredient. Number two, chickens also need protein, especially layers that are producing eggs almost every day. And for that, we are going to use two powerful protein ingredients. Fish meal. This is fish meal, and it is extremely rich in protein. Protein helps chickens to produce strong eggs, maintain body weight, develop healthy features. Without enough protein, your hens may lay small eggs or stop laying completely. But the protein source number two is the sunflower cake. This is the second protein source. This comes from sunflower seeds after oil has been extracted. It is cheaper than fish meal, but still contains very good protein. When we combine fish meal and sunflower cake, we create a balanced protein diet for our chickens. But the third one is the wheat bran, which is the digestion and the bulk. So wheat bran helps with the digestion. It also adds bulk to the feed, so chickens feel full. If chickens eat only heavy grains like maize, then digestion becomes very difficult. So wheat bran helps to balance the feed. Number four is the lime, or just calcium. Now, this is the ingredient that is extremely important for layers. This is limestone powder. Eggshells are made mainly from calcium. So without enough calcium, eggshells become thin, eggs may break easily, and chickens may even stop laying totally. Okay, so limestone helps chickens produce strong, thick eggshells. The number five product is the premix, that is vitamins and minerals. So finally, we have something called the poultry premix. This contains vitamins and minerals that chickens need in small amounts, but are extremely very important. These nutrients helps with immunity, egg production, bone strength, and overall health. So without the premix, even the best feed can still be nutritionally incomplete, if you get what I mean, right? Now that we have all our ingredients ready, the big question is, how much of each ingredient do we mix to make the perfect 100 kg layers mash? So in the next step, I'm going to show you the exact formula that we are going to use, and we are going to mix using that formula right here. Alright, now here comes the part that every farmer is waiting for, mixing. But before we mix, let us ask a very important question. How long can 100 kilograms of layer mash feed 100 hens? Well, on average, a laying hen eats about 120 grams of feed per day. So for 100 hens, that gives you like 12 kilograms every single day. That means 100 kilograms will last about 8 to 9 days. So you'll have 9 days of energy, protein, and nutrients powering your flock and every egg they lay. And now let the magic begin, because not all feed is created equal. Each ingredient in this feed has a purpose, and together they form the perfect 100 kgs layers mash. So the first one is the energy foundation. First, the backbone of the feed, that is maize. Maize gives the chickens energy to move, digest, and lay eggs. So we are going to use 50 kilograms. That is half of our total mix. And 2 is the protein power. Chickens need protein for eggs and feathers, so we are combining sunflower cake, that is 20 kilograms, and fish meal, 10 kilograms. Sunflower cake builds strength. Fish meal provides essential amino acids. Let's do it. And 3 is the digestive balance. Next is the wheat bran, that is 17 kgs. It helps digestion and gives bulk, so chickens feel full without overeating. And step 4 is the eggshell and the vitamins. For strength, eggshells, we add limestone, that is 2.5 kgs. And for overall health, premix, we are giving it 0.5 kgs. If you want a simple visual table, it is here. I'm pinning it right now. And there it is, 100 kilograms of layers mash, enough to feed 100 hens for a week, packed with energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Next, we'll show you how to mix it perfectly, because even the best ingredients can fail if they aren't blended the right way. So let us go to the next part. So how do you mix? Start by pouring maize first. This is the largest part, of course. Then next, slowly and add sunflower cake and fish meal, sprinkling evenly. Then comes wheat bran, followed by limestone, then finally gently fold in premix. Notice the rhythm. Pour, sprinkle, fold. Like a symphony, every ingredient has its own moment, its weight, and its balance. So therefore, mix thoroughly. You can use a spade, a shovel, or a mechanical mixer if you have one, but make sure the powders and grains are fully blended. The goal here is that every scoop of feed should have exactly the right proportion of energy, protein, calcium, and vitamins. So even distribution is the difference between eggs that are thin-shelled and eggs that are large, strong, and golden yolk. So once mixed, store your feed in a dry, cool place away from the sunlight and moisture. Avoid airtight containers if there is a risk of condensation. Feeds should be used within 2 to 3 weeks for maximum freshness, and proper storage is profit protection. I want you to remember that 80% of your production cost is feed. So let us reflect for a moment. From maize, sunflower, fish meal, wheat bran, limestone, and premix, every kilogram has its purpose. We have taken simple ingredients, applied knowledge and care, and transformed them into 100 kilograms of feed, capable of sustaining 100 hens for over 2 weeks, and turning potential losses into profit and abundance. And that is it. The secret to feeding your flock without burning your profits. If you follow these steps, measure carefully, mix properly, store intelligently, you will save up to 80% of your feed costs, and your hens will reward you with healthy eggs every single day of God. If you learned something today, hit that like button, subscribe for more Corobe Farm secrets, and share this video with every farmer who wants to stop wasting money on feed. Because in the quiet rhythm of the farm, every grain counts, every hen matters, and every egg tells a story of care, balance, and profit. This is Corobe Poultry Farm. Until we meet next video, that is all for now. Bye bye.